What's up, brother? What's up, brother? What's up, brother? Let's see if we can get this thing going again. Let's see. It's almost like it's not letting me do it. Okay, so we've got... Oh, right, I was actually trying to build this into the browser. Actually, like, I don't know if I want to build this in the browser or in an actual native application. I don't think it will work. I mean, the browser would be nice because we could use Svelte. I just had the crazy idea of trying to port Svelte to Pygame. And that'd be a horrible idea. PyServe hash directory. So this is actually just a local primitive version of the application. Doesn't really do anything. We're gonna call this Trinity. We're gonna move it here. I'm gonna create two things. I want to create a server and I want to create a client. And the client's gonna use Pygame. Dang it. So readme.md, our client uses Pygame, our server uses Golang, Python plus Pygame. So I don't know if this will actually work. So let's see. Let's see if we can do this. CD Trinity. Oh, we're already in the folder. No, we're not. Trinity client. No, we need to go to server. Only we need to say go init. Go mod init. Go help. Go help mod. So I did, didn't I? Go mod init. Okay. TD serve. What do we want to call this? Tower defense. It's not really a tower defense game. I'm actually going to try to steal a lot of components from other games. I don't know how long this is going to take. I hope we can do it pretty quickly because I don't want to be up late. I'm tired. I do want to check to make sure we are actually streaming. I also want to pull up Kick because the Kick community has been pretty great. Yeah, so we are live. Got 7 followers. Pretty impressive. Alright. Alright. Oh, I forget how small the text is. Like, if you can't see it, I'm sorry. I can't see it if I zoom in. Let's get rid of all these. We don't have any assets. I wonder if we could find, like, Ooh, look at this. So there are plenty of robot assets that are free that we could download. These are really cool. Some of these are kind of ridiculous, but we don't need anything special. We just need something that works, like maybe this guy. I really like this one too, but this guy seems to be... You can use it as long as it is incorporated into the product, and the third party can not retrieve it individually in either the digital or physical form. You cannot resell the model you bought in the digital or printed form, but can use it in your commercial projects multiple times after paying for it just once. Licenses marked with no AI tag do not permit product use for machine learning or training of neural network models, including generative AI. That's super interesting. So they do not want you to steal their transformer. This is just too much. I mean, that's cool, I guess, but even this guy is probably sufficient. Oh, that's pretty cool. Yeah, can we get it? Do I have to sign in or something? Files are appearing for download. Okay, well that does its thing. Let's look at Trinitarian. We'll just call it Trinitarian. Cool, so we should have Go mod now. Why is it not here? There it is. Okay, cool. Cool. So if we do main.go, if we say package Trinitarian, or does this one have to be main? Let's try it, Trinitarian, and then can we just say print? It's not print, it's print. What's it trying to do here? I want to know. What's it gonna do? Oh wow, look at this. It's gonna do the whole thing for us. Oh, we don't have a server struct. What is it gonna do? It's gonna do the whole thing. Look at that. I don't want an HTTP server though. Yeah, you got me fucked up, homie. Shit, bruh. Come on now. Let's start like a game.go and then just define like a struct game session, and then we'll have like oh, we do need to say package Trinitarian. We're gonna say player.go, and then we're gonna say game state.go, and then with the game state, so I do know yeah, get the fuck out of here. Game session is the main. Let's see what it comes up with. Oh, absolutely nothing. Thanks for being useless. Game oh, fucking AI confusing the shit out of me. Game state includes... Shut the fuck up. God damn, I hate this thing sometimes. hate that shit. Can I simply just like turn it off? I'll leave it for now, even though it's getting on my nerves. So game state should have an array of enemies, and then we want to like simplify this to an enemy instance ID and an array of health, damage, speed, and etc. And we want to do this in a way where we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Maybe we just do 4. So like the X and Y could be 256. So I'm thinking we can come up with like a way of saying, actually I don't need that. So like the first 4 bits could be used for the enemy type. So let's just say TTTTT, and then the X and Y location, we can just say XXX, Y. Health, that's super interesting. So 256 types. This is quadrant, and then X location, and then quadrant, and then Y location, and then health. I don't think damage would be that big. Speed, yeah, movement speed's pretty important, I guess. We'll come back to this though. There we go. So each enemy could then be reduced down to like some number. Yeah, we could come up with something. Come back to that too. Game state includes array of enemies, array of players. We don't need a player type, but we do need X and Y location. We also need tower type. We need player health, tower damage, tower level. We actually Um, let's make weaker towers weaker. And then tower speed. This one actually gets really hard. We're not going to use any data type here because we're going to have like an array of these for each player. So each player syncs individually. So we're gonna have a struct gang state. I love that these don't exist. How do you do this shit? Type struct. And of course players don't exist, so I'll just comment out these two. And I don't know if I even have the energy to do this tonight. Type game session struct. Main. I'm gonna have to create a server.go. We will package Trinitarian. This is where we want to import everything because this is actually our server file. Type. I don't know if we'll actually use this because this is HTTP server and we really actually want a I forget the word. Pretty sure this has to be main. This has to be main package. Boy, I'm so tired. I gotta go. Sorry, y'all.